Hey, welcome to the show. Check this out. This is a 4K UHD 55-inch touchscreen by a company called HKMLC. I'm loving it. And I'm going to try to only take about 3 minutes of your time today. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the timer right here, set up a timer. But there's so much involved in this that if you want more details, please go over to their website or their YouTube page. All right, so when you do buy this, you're going to get an included flat panel TV wall mount that comes free, got your instruction manual, and you will also get 2 free stylus pins like this, so you can customize both ends like that. You'll notice that I have a stand right here. This stand, oh my goodness, it is rock solid. The wheels on it are so smooth. This also comes from the company HKMLC. I highly recommend getting that because you can wheel your touchscreen around in your studio or your classroom. Like I said, this is a 55-inch. They also sell a 75-inch touchscreen. When you get this, there are so many different options that you can set up. Most of the time, you're going to be working in Note, that's your whiteboard, but you can also access the Play Store with this and set this up with Chrome, PowerPoint, Google Slides, anything that you find on the Play Store, boom. This is not a TV. This is a gigantic tablet. It has memory, it has RAM, and you can save to the cloud and all different, you can save to a USB. It has internal storage. Let's go ahead and take a look at the notepad right here. This is my favorite part. You can go ahead, and this has like 30 points of touch pressure that you can use. That means that I can be working on a problem right here, and another person can be working over here. So you can actually just go crazy, just like that. So many different things. You can clean that off. Everything is customizable, like the pen right there. You can customize the different sizes and both ends right here. It has, let's say I'm going to go ahead and write something here. I'm running out of time, aren't I? So let's say I write catfish. It's kind of sloppy, isn't it? I can go ahead and select that just like that and hit Smart Write. Boom. Very professional right there. Also has rulers, so I can set up a ruler, customize that. Also has something called, I'm going to go ahead and clean all right here, partition. This is great in the classroom, so maybe you got about a couple of different kiddos that they want to do some problems on. So I start drawing here. I can't draw over on that side, so you can have 3 different kiddos working at the same time. All right, I turned off my clock. I'm sorry about that. But I got 1 more minute of your time right here. You can set up different, like this is called a mind map. You can set up different tables right here. You can do different shapes, all customizable. You can do a cylinder, sphere. You can do 2D shapes. Oh my goodness, you're going to have so much fun with this right here. I'll tell you. You can also set up your camera. This has a camera right there. So that's showing the back of my studio here. You can save that image if you want to. You can also go over here and you can set up a stopwatch. You can record the screen. It records audio and whatever you're drawing right here, anything. You got a calendar. You can crop. Like, let's say you're on a website and you see a picture. You can go ahead and crop that image and then it saves it right to your smartboard. Whew, just too much. I'm loving it. I just love this. This make a huge difference in my YouTube, also in my classroom. I'm a teacher. Kids love to come up here and just, they cannot wait to, especially my own kids, they cannot wait to work on this whiteboard. Totally 2 thumbs up. Check out more information. There's no way I can get this all in this video right here. And highly recommend the stand. Get that too. So again, they got a 55-inch, 75-inch, and the company is called HKMLC. Whew. All right. Hey, talk to you later. Have a great day out there. Adios. Goodbye.